Hi everyone, this is Thursday, March 29th, on weather that isn't really that great. And just for your information, spring started Tuesday, last Tuesday, and so far we've had almost a week of horrible weather. The branches, there's cars going by, so yeah. Well, a lot of stuff actually is hectic, and it's blowing wind right now. The cable cords are moving, see, and then, oh yeah, what else? Oh yeah, look at the sky. Isn't the sky just like black? It's like horrible. So hopefully you guys know that there will be thunderstorms from about 5 to 9 or 10. I'm between 10. And I really just hope you guys stay safe. And look at the water. I don't know if you can see it, but the water's like kind of windy. The other day, me and my mom came out here to go do something at night, and it was, you could literally see the wind. It was pushing the water like this, and just like this, and like it was like bad. It kind of looks, well, it's pretty bad out here. So if people who don't live in Lebanon or Oregon at all, well, look, this is really not supposed to be happening in spring or in Oregon, kind of. So, well, I will catch you there again. Just stay safe and say hi to the cars. Yeah, cars. And and the clouds are moving really fast. I don't know, see, but it's like right there. They're like moving pretty fast. Kind of. Well, anywho, I will see you later. Talk to you later. So, bye. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, oh wait, I told you bye. Okay, well, oh yeah, Heidi says hi. I don't know if she does, but I haven't talked to her in a couple of days, but I'm saying she says hi. So if you see this Heidi, the person that always does the videos with me, we always do videos together, well, Heidi, if you do see this, hi. Okay, so, bye.